I absolutely hate my 3D printer, and let me show you why. This is my Anycubic Cobra Max, and it got a new heat bed because it would not level no matter what I did. And I also got the PI sheet, and I got a new extruder and changed all of that because the extruder stopped working mid-print sometimes it wouldn't extrude at all. That problem still exists after the new one came and I installed it, and it's now better at leveling. It still has some issues at the corners, but it just makes a ton of layer shifts. I can have one good print with all the fine settings and everything, and then I get so many layer shifts on the next prints that it's just stupidly crazy to waste so much filament. And it's never in the same place that the layer shifts take place. It's always in a new position at a new place. So I'm just so damn frustrated about this printer here. I want to curse, but I won't. But yeah, so I got one good print and then a ton of fails. And I've been in contact with Anycubic support, but yeah, I just want to send this thing back and get my money back, because this machine, this specific machine, is not worth it. And then we have the other one I have over here. I have the Anycubic Cobra normal, and it just prints like a champion every time. It just works, nothing, no problems. I hope Anycubic support will give me my money back at some point, because this printer has never worked the way it should, and they keep sending replacements and stuff, and nothing helps. Have you ever had a printer be this bad? Or is it just me being really, really unlucky? I don't know.